Today's episode of welding puzzles. I've been doing some welding a fair bit and kept getting these intermittent porosity while I was welding. I couldn't really work it out. Checked out the O-rings. Checked out in here. Anyway, fixed it. There was one of these. That O-ring there was buggered, I think. Anyway, there's a tiny bit of gas getting out the back of the gun, out of that fitting that goes on there, which is probably normal. And yeah, it went alright for a while, and then all of a sudden it just started going like shit again. So anyway, pressing the purge button, and then I could sort of hear the gas coming from inside the gun. So we've pulled the gun apart. That's the weld neck, that's the handle. And then you get this bit. That's the trigger. This is all the copper braid. Goes around the gas hose. Well, look at this gas hose. It's got hot in there and melted the hole clean through the gas hose. Sort of when I seen this stuff here on the gun handle, I thought there's something going on in there. Well, anyway, there you go. That's a Bernard 600 amp gun. It's probably 10 years old now. Done a fair bit of work. But yeah, for a time it was sending me around the bend trying to work out where it was coming from, where the hole was and that. But anyway, so there you go. There's a new one for me. Have a good afternoon.